I'm Tara Monster and I like to make things. If you're new here, please help me out and hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And give a quick like if you enjoy this video. I'm getting in the mood for Valentine's Day in my Fox's Heart t-shirt made by yours truly. It features 2 parent foxes and a baby fox all curled up in a heart shape. You can get yours at revivalinc.com. I put a link below in the description with a 20% off coupon so that you can afford to get matching shirts for your partner and your kids so you can celebrate Valentine's Day in style while supporting a local artist. Speaking of Valentine's Day, today I'm going to show you how to make your own Valentine's Day wreath from items found at the dollar store. You can make the whole wreath for under $10 and it takes about 10 minutes. So if you're excited for this awesome project, let's get crafting. Here are all the supplies you'll need to make a Valentine's Day wreath. One is your wreath form. They were all sold out of heart-shaped ones at the Dollar Tree by my house, but I found this square one and also this foam heart. So I'm going to make it into a diamond and hang this heart inside. I also found a pair of doves. Pipe cleaners are important to attach everything to your wreath form. And lots of deco mesh. This project will use 3 different colors, red, pink, and white. You always want to buy 2 rolls of each color just in case you run out. You will end up with some extra, but that's always better than running out. I also got a couple roses from the dollar store just to see if they would be fun to add to the wreath as well. $10 whole for an awesome Valentine's Day wreath. And for your supplies, you'll want a rotary cutter or a pair of scissors, as well as a hot glue gun. The first step is to cut your mesh. Each one of these rolls is 5 inches wide, and you want to cut your pieces to be 10 inches long. For each color, you want 20 10-inch long pieces. Rolling out 2 colors at a time and cutting them together will speed up your cutting process. And your cuts don't have to be exact, so don't spend too much time worrying about how exact they are. Just get them all cut as quickly as you can. Once you get all of your tubes cut, you'll want to start laying them out into sets of 3. Once I started cutting my fabric, I realized that I didn't have as much white as I thought. So what I'm going to do is just put a 3-pack per bow with the white in each corner of the square, since there are 4 corners and I have 4 rolls of white. And now to attach our pipe cleaners to our wreath form. Each one you can cut in half, and we're going to need 20 attach points. 10 pipe cleaners, and then we'll cut them all in half. We're going to start in the corner. And you always want to put your wire around 2 rungs, never just 1. It's not stable enough if you just put it around 1. I'm going to do 1 in the center and then 1 on each side. The center one will be on the inside rings, and the outer ones will be on the outer rings. Inner 2, outer 2. And you're going to continue that pattern of going outer, inner, outer, inner. You're going to have 2 pipe cleaners in each straight section. So So this one is on the outside. The next one is going to be on the inside. And then one on the outside. The middle one goes on the inside and one on the outside. And you can do this all the way around, but what I want to do is now just start filling these in with my bows so I can get an idea for how it's going to look. We've done one whole side and 2 corners. In the corner, I'm going to start with my white one. It's one of each color, white, pink, and red. To roll these up real tight. I'm going to put the white in the center. There we go. And just twist it around. Our first bow is on. And now I'm going to look for another set of 3 that I made. Sure to roll them nice and tight. Going to stick that one on this side. And you can turn the bows once they're on. There we go. And this one had 2 pinks and a red, so my next one is also going to have 2 pinks and a red. And the ones on the side will be 2 reds and then a pink. And now we have 1 corner and 1 side done, and we're going to do our next corner. For my corner, I was doing 1 of each color. The white in the middle and a red and a pink on each side. And now to put 1 on each side. And there we go, that's looking really great. We're just going to repeat this for each side. There's our corner, and now we'll fill in the 2 middle pieces between the corners. There we go, 2 full sides done. Now we'll finish the rest. And now to secure the final piece. And now we're going to go around and clip off all the extra pipe cleaners and glue on some flowers. Just pop them right off of the stems. Let's go ahead and place them about where we want them to be so we can get the layout. There we go. I like this layout a lot. Let's start attaching them with glue. Making sure that you glue them right on top of a bow instead of in between bows. And now that we've glued on all of our flowers, we're going to put the finishing piece on, which is our beautiful sparkly heart. Let's turn it over to put it on. In order to secure it, we're just going to use some more pipe cleaners. We'll attach them using some scrap felt or fabric. Or to hold it until it's dry. Just twist it around the wire frame and it will stay. We're going to secure it on each side. And now we just have to push it through to the front. And now that heart's looking pretty great, let's put on our final touches, which are the doves. They have little wires on them, so I'm just going to twist them in. And now for the final touch is to go around and trim off all the ends of the deco mesh so it looks perfect. You'll also want to double check the back and make sure that all of your pipe cleaners are trimmed. As soon as that's done, you're ready to hang it up. Let's go see how it looks. And here we have our finished wreath. I just love all the little details, like the doves and the flowers and the shimmery heart in the center. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to make your own Valentine's Day wreath for under $10. If you have any questions while working on your wreath, please put them in the comments below. I read all the comments and I'm happy to help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and select all so that you can get notified when I make new content. I make a new video every week. Thanks for watching Tara Monster, and I'll see you in the next video. Rawr!